Hello everyone. Have you got the idea of virtual assets? If not, then I am here to tell you about it. Virtual assets have been making attempts in various forms to emulate characteristics of traditional financial models since its birth. As a shared financial platform based on ERC-20, Visa takes things a step forward and it is proposing to its participants a new form of financial system. So, do you know how and when it was launched? It was launched in June 2021. It is a shared financial platform based on ERC-20 that seeks to propose and prove an unprecedented business model by reinterpreting and covering numerous existing innovative business methodologies, development methodologies, and the blockchain ecosystem. The Visa Foundation offers an automatic dealing in virtual assets using VBOT, an arbitrage trading solution from Androm TM Korea. The generated revenue from VBOT burns the issued Visa tokens and it invests 40% of the foundation's operating revenue to repurchase tokens, contributing to the interests of Visa holders. The remaining proceeds are redeployed back to the assets of the automated trading system, accelerating profits through compound interest. Now, do you know what is the aim of Visa? Visa aims to pursue a sustainable business model by guaranteeing the interests of token holders except for the minimum cost of the maintaining the system and reinvesting in seed funds for system operations. Visa increases the value of itself by not using most of the tokens and proceeding to burn. The issuance volume of Visa is 2 billion. 90% of it will be burned in stages to realize the profits of its investors. 5% is for reserve holdings. 3.2% is used to provide liquidity to the market. And the rest, 1.8%, is the initial investor distribution quantity. The Visa token will be listed on Albank Exchange on December 27, 2021. Investors who are interested in Visa investment can easily buy and sell its token on Albank Exchange by then. The listing has been done in many more platforms, so you can check it out. Now comes an important question. Why would you choose the Visa token platform? So let me answer it. It should be noted that Visa Foundation performs automated operations with virtual assets using VBOT. These solutions are designed for arbitrage trading by Androm TM Korea. In order to increase the value of the Visa token, the income received from VBOT burns the issued Visa tokens. That is, a buyback and burning takes place. Also, to maintain the token, the platform team invests 40% of the fund's operating proceeds for the buyback of tokens, which contributes to the interests of Visa holders and makes the Visa token even more valuable and its price higher. The remaining proceeds are transferred back to the assets to be automated trading system, which speeds up the profit from compound interest. Visa token is a decentralized financial payment network that rebuilds the traditional payment stake on the blockchain. It utilizes a basket of fire-pegged stablecoins algorithmically stabilized by its reserve currency Visa to facilitate programmable payments and open financial infrastructure development. As of December 2020, the network has transacted an estimated 299 billion for over 2 million users. So, don't you want to be amongst the million users? So, don't waste any more time.